In this video, I'm going to discuss about how you can take the backup of a database and how you can restore the database from a backup file. So when we work in the real time, sometimes if you have the database, you need to take the backup, and you need to be also restore the database from the backup. If you any misleading happen in the database, like incorrectly any data updated by the developer or the any team member or any person in your team. Okay, so last video I already discussed how you can take the snapshot. Now this video I'm going to take the backup of this YouTube SQL training. So you need to be create this you need to be just right click the database. Okay, so you will get all this option. So all this option we have the fourth one, that is the task. Under task you need we have the backup. Okay, so just you can click the backup. So once you click the backup file, it will be uh, pop up some type of the window. So here we have the backup tab. One is the full backup, one is the incremental differential backup. So full backup is nothing but entire database backup, but differential backup is the when the last backup was taken. After that, if you want to take the backup, so I will take the full backup. If you want, you can change the path here, like where you can save the file location. So I will be save this on the E drive. Okay, so E drive I will save, and you can give the some type of the meaningful name, like I'm giving the database backup. Okay, so you can give any name, but after that you need to be take the need to give the extension .bak. Once you click the OK, it will be saved under the file. Okay, so you can see two file location will be there. So top one I can remove, and this one is my new file location, and here we have some setting, no need to change anything. Okay, so you can also ignore each and everything. So just you can click on the OK. So based on the database size, okay, it will take some time to take the backup of the database, but if you have database small, it will complete within the second. So now I will show you, this is the backup file is generated. You can see 102 MB. Now how you can restore from this backup file. So I will create I will here and restore, right click on the database and restore the database. Okay, so once you click on the restore database, again it will be pop up some type of window. So we have the two option, database and the device. So under the device you can select the where or file is available, the backup file. So you can see E drive, I have this database backup. So once you click, you can see automatically this database name is coming. Okay, so you can give the BK, because the database is already I have, so I can give the BK 06 October, like that. And once you click the OK button, so the database got restored from this backup file, and you can delete the all database whatever the database got messed up. So you can see is restored successfully. Now we have we can delete this database which is the existing one, and we can use the new back restore the database. Okay, so if because this is drop fail because somewhere is using this database, so they not allow, because you can see we have some type of the snapshot got created. So before dropping the database, you have the whatever the snapshot is created, you can need to be drop the snapshot as well. Okay, otherwise it will not allow you to drop any type of the database. Now you can go and delete this database. Okay, existing database. So any snapshot is related to any database, you cannot drop the database. So this is the complete video tutorial of the database SQL training. So if you not watch all the video, you can go and watch in my YouTube channel. I uploaded all the video, and I will continue uploading the SQL related. If you want to learn the any SQL training, you can visit my website Study IT Education, and you can join one-to-one session. Thank you so much.